Warren Buffett, the 94-year-old Oracle of Omaha, took the stage. The crowd went wild. This was more than just another Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting. This was history in the making. Buffett, a titan of finance, was about to deliver a message. His words boomed through the room, echoing with the weight of experience. This wasn't just about stock tips, this was about the future of America, the future of the world. Buffett, known for his folksy wisdom, didn't mince words. He spoke of a world on the brink, a world teetering on the edge of economic folly. His warning was simple yet profound. Trade should not be a weapon, it should be a bridge that connects nations, a bridge that fosters prosperity. The crowd listened, captivated. They knew this was a message that transcended the balance sheets. This was about the very fabric of global cooperation. Buffett's message was a stark contrast to the prevailing winds of protectionism. Tariffs, once a relic of a bygone era, were rearing their ugly heads again. Countries, eager to protect their own industries, were engaging in tit-for-tat trade wars. These wars, Buffett warned, would have no winners, only casualties. The global economy, so interconnected, would suffer, jobs would be lost, prices would rise, and the very foundations of international cooperation would crumble. Buffett's words were not just theoretical musings. They were grounded in the reality of Berkshire Hathaway's own experience. The conglomerate, with its vast holdings in industries ranging from insurance to railroads, had felt the pinch of trade tensions. He spoke of lost opportunities, of investments put on hold, of the uncertainty that plagued businesses large and small. The irony wasn't lost on anyone. Even as Buffett warned of economic headwinds, Berkshire Hathaway was sitting on a mountain of cash, a record $347.7 billion to be precise, a testament to the company's prudence and financial strength. But even this financial fortress couldn't escape the realities of a slowing global economy. Berkshire's operating profit had taken a hit, dropping 14% in the first quarter of 2025. And then there was the elephant in the room, the impending changing of the guard. Buffett, after 6 decades at the helm, was preparing to step down. His successor, Greg Abel, had big shoes to fill. The transition, while carefully planned, only added to the air of uncertainty. The world was changing, Berkshire Hathaway was changing, and the question on everyone's mind was, what would the future hold? Section 4. The High Price of Protectionism. Buffett, with the wisdom of his years, offered a cautionary tale. He spoke of the dangers of isolationism, of the folly of trying to wall oneself off from the world. It's a big mistake, he warned, when you have 7.5 billion people that don't like you very well. His words were a pointed critique of the recent U.S. tariff policies that had alienated allies and inflamed tensions. The tariffs, he argued, were nothing more than a tax on American consumers. They would lead to higher prices, fewer choices, and ultimately, economic pain. Buffett's message was clear. Protectionism was a dead end. It was a path that led to economic isolation, stagnation, and decline. Section 5. A call for cooperation in a world divided. In the face of growing global tensions, Buffett's message was a beacon of hope, a call for sanity in a world teetering on the brink. He reminded the audience that the global economy was not a zero-sum game, that one nation's prosperity did not have to come at the expense of another's. He spoke of the power of cooperation, of the win-win scenarios that could be achieved through dialogue, compromise, and a commitment to mutual benefit. His words resonated with the audience. They longed for a world where trade was a bridge, not a barrier, a world where cooperation, not conflict, was the guiding principle. As Buffett left the stage, the applause was thunderous. It was a standing ovation for a man who had spoken truth to power, a man who had dared to imagine a better future. A future where trade, once again, would be a force for good.